Megalodon, the giant shark that once ruled the oceans. Among the many extraordinary creatures that have inhabited our planet, few were as impressive as the megalodon. Often portrayed as a gigantic version of the modern great white shark, this ancient predator has become a symbol of nature's immense power. Although it disappeared millions of years ago, the megalodon continues to fascinate scientists and the public alike. Its enormous size, fearsome reputation, and mysterious extinction make it one of the most intriguing animals in Earth's history. The megalodon lived during a period when the world's oceans were dramatically different from those we know today. Scientifically known as Otodus megalodon, this colossal predator inhabited the seas from approximately 23 million to 3.6 million years ago. During that time, warm oceans covered much of the planet, creating ideal conditions for a rich variety of marine life. Giant whales, unusual marine mammals, and countless species of fish thrived in these waters. At the very top of this underwater ecosystem stood the megalodon, one of the most formidable predators ever to exist. The name megalodon means big tooth, and for good reason. Some of its teeth measured more than 18 centimeters in length, making them among the largest shark teeth ever discovered. These enormous fossils have provided scientists with valuable clues about the shark's appearance and lifestyle. Because sharks possess skeletons made primarily of cartilage rather than bone, very little of their bodies fossilizes. As a result, researchers have had to piece together the story of the megalodon using fossilized teeth, vertebrae, and comparisons with modern shark species. One of the most remarkable aspects of the megalodon was its size. Current scientific estimates suggest that the largest individuals may have reached lengths of 15 to 20 meters. To appreciate how extraordinary this is, consider that the average great white shark measures between 4 and 6 meters long. Some scientists estimate that an adult megalodon could have weighed more than 50 tons. Such dimensions made it one of the largest predatory fish ever known to science. An animal of this size required a tremendous amount of food. Evidence from fossilized whale bones indicates that the megalodon preyed primarily on large marine mammals, including whales, dolphins, and seals. Researchers have discovered numerous fossils bearing bite marks that match the shape and size of megalodon teeth. These findings suggest that the giant shark was an active hunter rather than merely a scavenger. Some experts believe it targeted vulnerable parts of its prey, such as the tail or fins, to reduce mobility before delivering a fatal attack. The megalodon's hunting abilities were supported by an exceptionally powerful bite. Scientific models estimate that its bite force may have exceeded 100,000 newtons, making it one of the strongest bites ever produced by a vertebrate animal. Such immense power allowed it to crush bone and inflict devastating injuries on even the largest marine creatures. In an ocean filled with formidable animals, the megalodon occupied a position at the very top of the food chain. Beyond its role as a predator, the megalodon likely played an important ecological function. Apex predators help maintain balance within ecosystems by regulating populations of other species. By controlling the numbers of large marine mammals, the megalodon may have influenced migration patterns, feeding behavior, and the overall structure of ancient marine environments. Its presence would have had far-reaching effects throughout the oceanic food web. Despite its dominance, the megalodon eventually vanished from Earth's oceans. The reasons for its extinction remain the subject of ongoing scientific research. One widely accepted theory points to significant climatic changes that occurred during the late Pliocene epoch. As global temperatures declined, ocean ecosystems underwent major transformations. Many warm water habitats preferred by the megalodon became less suitable, while some prey species migrated toward colder regions. Competition may also have contributed to the shark's decline. Around the same period, several new marine predators emerged, including ancestors of modern killer whales. These animals were smaller, more adaptable, and capable of hunting cooperatively. Such advantages may have allowed them to compete more effectively for food resources. Combined with environmental changes and shifting prey populations, these pressures could have made survival increasingly difficult for the giant shark. The megalodon has become a cultural icon in the modern world. It frequently appears in documentaries, novels, films, and online discussions. Popular portrayals often exaggerate its size and abilities, transforming it into a near-mythical sea monster. Some sensational stories even suggest that megalodons might still inhabit unexplored regions of the deep ocean. However, scientists overwhelmingly reject this idea. A predator of such size would leave abundant evidence of its existence, and no credible evidence has ever been found. Nevertheless, the enduring fascination with the megalodon is easy to understand. It represents a lost world populated by creatures that seem almost unimaginable today. Studying this giant shark provides valuable insights into evolution, marine ecology, and the environmental changes that have shaped life on Earth over millions of years. Today, visitors to museums around the world can view fossilized megalodon teeth and vertebrae, offering a tangible connection to one of nature's most extraordinary predators. Although the species disappeared long ago, its legacy continues to inspire wonder and scientific curiosity. As one of the largest and most powerful hunters ever to swim through the oceans, the megalodon remains a compelling reminder of the incredible diversity of life that has existed on our planet.